welcome to this week's Unikernel application spotlight. This week we are looking at lake cell. So this probably alludes to lakehouse and all the other Databricks and big data type of platforms out there. This is an interesting little project that I ran into. Essentially, what they wanted to do was have something that felt and acted like Apache Spark, JVM based, but would use Rust, would be able to use Python, Rust for the performance and so forth, but Python for the expressiveness. And so they put this together, and so it's an interesting little project. Yeah, this is basically the quick start that we're actually going to show you, running as a nanos unikernel. And so there's a bunch of dependencies for Python that you install, but once you install that, you can go ahead and start running it. So this is our package that we're using, and you can pop up the server just like this. So let's go ahead and pop out real quick. So that's working instantly. And then for your client, this is probably not the proper way to install your Python packages, but I was just trying to do it quick and dirty. So these are the minimum that I found that you really want. As you can see, it uses protobufs and gRPC on the serialization side, and then Pyro, Pandas, PySpark for your Python stuff. So one of the key things that makes this different, though, is that this actually embeds a Python interpreter inside the Rust program, and so it can execute these UDFs, user-defined functions, and user-defined table functions inside, and that's what actually allows it to run pretty damn fast. So if you installed all the pip dependencies, you can kind of take a look at this hello world, and essentially we're just going to open up the Spark session to 551 and do a select 1.1. And so we go ahead and run it. As you can see, I'm outside the unikernel, connecting to the unikernel here, and we get as we would expect, right? So pretty basic. Installing this, I think building this has a little more steps, but again, the end product is pretty cool. I can show you the actual package contents here, and so yeah, as you can see here, we stuck in the libpython, and then we had to set our time zone. That was just one thing that I had kind of ran into when building this. By default, we don't really stick any of this inside the package, but pretty basic, right? And then the rest of this is normal stuff that you would link in. It has all the different data access portions that would come with other projects like this, whether it's file or S3 or HDFS or any of that sort of stuff. And the deployment, probably gonna have to add a little how to deploy a nanos unikernel link here. They even have MCP support if you're into the AI prompting world. Yeah, this is a nice little package for doing batch and stream processing at scale in Rust, but using a Python interpreter running as a nanos unikernel. Till next time.